I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I am once again doing a collab challenge with Peace, Love, Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Tammy is a lot of fun, and she has a lot of talent as a seamstress. And it's actually a contest between she and I. We're going to each dress a Blythe doll to become Maleficent. And that date is coming quickly, and I still haven't decided how I'm going to do that dress. The date on the collab is November 12th. We're going to ask two things of you. One, if you will rate us, and we'll tell you all about that later. In other words, judge us. Woo, won't that be fun? And then if you will also upload your own video of a doll that you've either crafted into Maleficent, just dressed like Maleficent, or if you have an actual Maleficent doll, we'd like for you to show that. And we'll all use the same hashtag, and the hashtag is MeanMeanMaleficent. Now what I'm working on in my mind is using this pattern for my Blythe doll, which this is an 11.5-inch doll pattern, so they say. And when you think 11.5-inch fashion doll, you think Barbie. Well, I made this dress in black in a Morticia Addams type cut, and it turned out, well, pretty doggone gigantic. It was even loose on my curvy Barbie and my Rainbow High. So what I have to do is figure out this pattern, figure out how to do the collar, and figure out how to make it form-fitting. But I have this beautiful, it's like stretch velvet black fabric. Now, I have not washed this yet. What I'm probably going to do is make the item and then make sure it fits, and I'm going to use it, and then I'll take hot water in a cup in the microwave, and then I'll pour it in a bowl that I have the outfit in. I'll wash it in there, lay this out on a towel to dry. But that's what I'm working on. And that date is coming fast, fast, fast. So this is your reminder. Tammy, thank you so much. I'm betting you're further along than I am. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.